everyone. My name is Ms. Paul. I am a community health nurse. I am associate professor in DMCON College of Nursing, and I will be showing you the procedure of back technique. Come, let's get started. Firstly, when you come into the community, you have to first greet the people, say timely wish, hi, hello, and after that you can enter the house. After entering the house, you must have a place to secure the bag. So firstly, you carry the bag like this. You should keep a hand here and you should search for a place where you can secure the bag. If you do not find a place high, you can select the floor also, but it should not be on the path, on the walking path, so that there is obstruction in your procedure. So select a secure place like a corner of the house, a table, anywhere where there will be no disturbance. There will be enough light to perform the procedure. Secondly, if you cannot find such a place immediately when you go to the house, then you hang the bag on the door. Hold the bag like this, hang it on the door or on a hook. After that, you select the place and then you can keep the bag. Now firstly, you have to shift yourself like this, bring the bag in front, use the outer pocket. Outer pocket are unclean. There will be hand washing articles here and there will be paper and plastic sheets kept here to keep the bag. So loose the bag here, hold the bag, loose it, open, and using a Macintosh, you can use also a plastic sheet, open. The outer part will be contaminated, so use the inner aspect of it to keep. Spread it. Take the newspaper, folded one, use one corner, hold like this, one corner. This is not the corner, don't hold this, so you will not be able to open the sheet. Either hold it like this, open, secure the sheet like paper sheet like this, keep it, spread it like this. The inner part is considered as more clean, so keep it on top. The outer side should be kept down on the Macintosh or on the plastic sheet. Now hold the bag like this from the shoulder, take it, hold this here like this, and what you have to do is turn the bag and you want to keep it. So either you keep it this way on one corner, or you, according to your convenience, you can also keep the bag on one side like this. Now hold these, hold the bag, put the belt under the bag. Bag should not be outside of the paper sheet that you have kept. You must see that bag is inside, because we are considering the other surface which is outside the paper is not clean. Now loosen all the remove hand washing articles. In hand washing articles which is kept in the outer pocket, here on the right side of the bag we have towel, a hand napkin, soap with soap dish with a cover. When the soap is wet, we will need the cover so that the bag does not get damp, and nail brush. Nail brush. Also, where there is an emergency, hand sanitizer is also there. Now I will be going for hand washing. Now I have finished hand washing. We'll use the two little fingers to open the bag. We have loosened the bag. Now we open. Fold the bag like this. we'll see now what is in the bag. Here, these are the outer pockets. Outer pockets have hand washing articles. Then in this pocket there is paper and plastic sheet. Inside the bag we have BP apparatus. Here, BP apparatus, dial, stethoscope, in these there are instruments, thermometer, dropper and test tube holder. When we will be requiring for that procedure. For this procedure there is taking blood pressure, so only these two and hand washing articles are required. If you are doing any other procedure, according to that you have to select the articles. Now here there is a hematometer which is kept in the other pocket. Here there is a kidney tray. Kidney tray should be placed on the outer side, and unclean articles which are used can be placed in the kidney tray. This is a spirit lamp. Stainless steel bowl. Empty bottles for keeping lotion, Benedict solution, tape measure. Now we will replace the articles. This should be kept in the outer pocket. After using, whatever things are used should not be put back inside the bag, should be kept in the outer pocket. Now we will be closing the bag. Since I have not done any procedure, so I need not go for hand washing, but if I do some procedure, then what do I do? Keep all the articles, take the articles for hand washing. Along with that, I wash the articles, put it in a waste paper bag or a ziploc bag because the articles are wet. If we do not have the facility to wash the articles, it is kept in the ziploc bag. For further processing and treatment in the college or in the hospital, wherever there is a setup, or in the OPD, wherever there is a setup after returning. Now I will go for hand washing. I have finished with my hand washing. I have collected all the articles. Now, because the soap is wet, I have kept it in a polythene bag. I will return all the articles. Close the bag. Take the bag, hold it like this. Take the bag out. Now I will hold the bag like this. Turn it, put it on the shoulder. Now what I do, since the surface which is used now, which we consider as clean, is not clean now. You hold and you have to now now this surface is not clean, so you will hold it like this, put it inside. The surface which was down was dirty, so you close it like this. If the paper, or you have used the paper directly or the plastic sheet directly on a very damp surface, you can discard it if it is very dirty, and you can use a new one. I have closed my bag. Thank you one and all for your patient listening. I hope this video will be of great help.